So hi there everybody, welcome to a quick short video on how to install a stunt cage from Dixxer parts. They just don't give you any instructions or whatsoever how you do it. They just say, yeah, look for the pictures. Yeah, nice, look for the pictures, but you cannot see it properly. You just need 1 hour to figure out what goes where. And I will show you where basically the mounting points are. This is the second try. Unfortunately, the first try, when I put that thing on, the file was corrupted, and unfortunately I don't have time to put everything off the bike and then show you point by point where to put it on. So I will show you where are the mounting points, and I will tell you what you need to look out for. So first off, this is for generation 3 and generation 4 Honda Groms. And basically you have 3 mounting points. One of them is a little bracket here that goes through there, so you put it just wherever you like. It is not on the motor, it's exactly where is the gap between the motor and this cable's right here and the connector right there. The other mounting point is this one. This is basically right here. I hope you can see it from this perspective. You need to be careful for this one. And the third mounting point is here where your foot pegs are. It goes through here. What do you need to look out for? Basically, that is a stress point. This is a huge stress point for the swing arm in the back. And here is a huge stress point for the motor. This is one of these 2 screws that are in there are very huge stress points. So you need to be careful and just put something under here on the motor, just under there, or you can put it even like under here. Just put something on there like a lock or something, because sometimes they messed up in the factory and it can fall down because all the other stress points that you have on your motor are not maybe strong enough. The other stress point is put something under the swing arm, like here where you see you have your swing arm. There's a huge point on there. Like you can put also a lock on there that the swing arms don't fall down. What do you need to look out for? These caps. You need to, sometimes they're on there, sometimes not, but you need to put them off. Take a little bolt through here, like a small bolt, put it in here and thread this one with the other side. Here off, you're taking the cap. You have a long bolt with a thread. The thread needs to go like basically from here inside to here, and the thread will then go to the other side and the left side. Always remember, we are talking about the driver perspective, not from the front. From the left side of the driver's perspective, in here is a thread. So you're basically putting that 2 together. On the other side there's no thread, putting the caps on, and there you have a ginormous threaded bolt that you're just putting through here, taking off the OEM bolt. It's longer than the OEM bolt. And then you have like these caps that you just put on there, and you have like nuts on this side. So basically under here there's a nut that you would tighten it together on both sides, put the caps on there, and you're good to go. And yeah, you always need to be careful also with that one, that you just don't touch your motor, because otherwise you can damage it. So always have a little gap between your motor and this bracket here. I hope it helps. I hope it helps more than what they are saying on look out for the website. But I really like it. I really like it. It's sturdy, it's nice. I did not test it yet if it falls down or not. I don't want it to, but in case of stunt training, this is a perfect solution. It is nearly as wide as the OEM handlebars. So that's a good thing. That's a proper thing that you can have and is legal in Germany, because this one cannot be wider than your handlebars. So, like I said, I hope it helps you. And yeah, have a good one, everybody.